Hello class, I hope you all have done the revision of previous lessons. Yes, lesson 1, 2 and 3. We have done with it. Now today we are going to see the revision we are going to do. Means you all are going to do the revision of lesson 4. The Vedic civilization. I hope whatever we are doing, it is going to help you. Yes, in studying. Am I right? Is it helping or not? And whenever you start the revision, please before that you should read the lesson very carefully so that it is very easy for you all to solve the questions. Okay class? So our first question. Question 1. Select the appropriate alternatives and complete the following statements. Select the appropriate alternatives and complete the following statements. Okay. The dash are our oldest literature. The dash are our oldest literature. Vedas, Jain scripture, Buddhist scripture. Find out the answer. The dash are our oldest literature. Vedas, Jain scripture, Buddhist scripture. Yes? Very good. The answer is Vedas. The dash was the first of 4 Vedas. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda. The dash was the first of the 4 Vedas. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda. Yes, do you know the answer? Yes, it is Rigveda. Okay? The Vedas are also known as dash. Everybody should know this. The Vedas are also known as dash. Richa, Shruti, Sukta. The Vedas are also known as Richa, Shruti or Sukta. Very good. So the answer is Shruti. Yeah? Very good. The Samaveda is considered to be the foundation of Indian medicine, music or architecture. The Samaveda is considered to be the foundation of Indian music. Right. The Vedic people composed beautiful verses in, everybody should know this answer. The Vedic people composed beautiful verses in Sanskrit, Pali, Prakrut. Sanskrit, Pali, Prakrut. Very good. The answer is Sanskrit. Got the answers? Whatever we are doing, you are supposed to write down in the notebook. Okay, class? Yes? Very good. The Atharva Veda gives information on medicinal herbs, metals, music. The Atharva Veda gives information on medicinal herbs, metals, music. So answer is, what is the answer? It is medicinal herbs. Dash family system existed during the Vedic period. Nuclear, joint, extended. Yes, during the Vedic period. Which family system? Dash family system existed during the Vedic period. What is the answer? Yes, class? Very good. It is joy. Dash was a very popular ornament during the Vedic period. Dash was a very popular ornament during the Vedic period. Nishka, multi-strand necklace, armlet. Nishka, multi-strand necklace, armlet. What will be the answer? Very good. It is Nishka. Dash was the main occupation of the people in the Vedic period. What was the occupation? Dash was the main occupation of the people in the Vedic period. Yes? What will be the answer? Yes, it is agriculture. What is it? Agriculture. The definite and regular pattern followed in nature is called. The definite and regular pattern followed in nature is called. The definite and regular pattern followed in nature is called Rita. Okay? Is called Rita. Understood all of you? Did you got the answer? Next question is match the pairs. Okay, we have seen this while explaining the lesson. I told you about this. Okay, that who is Gramini, Vishpati, Bhagdhak, Grihapati. Okay, so you should able to tell the answer. In column A, it is Gramini, Vishpati, Bhagdhak, Grihapati. In column B, it is head of the family, collected taxes, head of a group of villages, head of village, chief priest. Yeah. Now just think for 2 minutes and tell me the answer, class. Come on. Who is Gramini? Who is Gramini? Yes. One. Head of a village is called the Gramini. Vishpati. Who is called Vishpati? Head of a group of villages. Head of a group of villages. Bhagdhak. Who is Bhagdhak? Collected taxes. Collected taxes. Grihapati. Who is Grihapati? Very good. Head of the family. Yes? Did you got the answers, all of you? Next question. Match the pairs only. In column A, it is Rigaveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda. Now, what are these Vedas that you have to match with the answers? Come on, tell me. In column B, it is guidance on singing of the verses, works composed in forests, information about yajna, verses in praise of forests. Verses in praise of forces in nature, solution to the problems in day-to-day life. Come on, tell me, what is Rigaveda? Rigaveda. verses in praise of forces in nature. Okay, like wind, fire, all these forces. Yajurveda, information about yajna. Okay, means yajna. Yajurveda means yajna. Okay, yajna. Samaveda, what is Samaveda? Guidance on singing of verses. Samaveda, guidance on singing of verses. Atharvaveda, solution to the problems in day-to-day life. Atharvaveda, solution to the problem in day-to-day life. So these are your answers and the questions for revision. Okay, if you're going to read them carefully, do them carefully, definitely it is going to help you. Okay, all of you. So please, when it is done, write down all the questions in your notebook so that whenever your exams are there, you can just do the revision. Is it okay with you all?